What's up, yo? It's your boy Nolan right here. I'm in my 2016 Hyundai i10, and I'm gonna give you a breakdown of driving this car. Basically, I've been driving this car for like almost 2 years now. I got it used and it had 76,000 kilometers on the clock, and right now I'm pushing around 109,000 kilometers on the clock. And I won't lie, so far I've been happy, man. Fuel wise, especially with what's happening right now with the fuel prices in South Africa, I'm happy. So I'm gonna be going through some of the things that you need to consider when you're looking at purchasing a car like this, a small car like this. So I'll be talking about running costs, maintenance, service, such things, so you get a clear idea before you go out and buy a Hyundai i10. But overall, this is a nice car, small car for driving around city-wise. I wouldn't recommend it for someone who's gonna be traveling long distances, because like I said, it's got less power. I think it's got around 50 something or 61 kilowatts, I'm not sure, but the power is not enough for long distance trips, especially going uphill. It's a problem, man. Even these big trucks will be overtaking you, and that's frustrating. So when it comes to that, I wouldn't recommend it for long distances. But for driving around town, short distances, this is the best car that you can have. So let's talk about service. Servicing this car is not that expensive. The last time I did service on this car, I bought the service kit myself, which was roughly around plus minus 1,000 rand. And then I got my mechanic to do the service for me. Then I paid him like 250. So overall, I spent like 1.3. Yeah, plus minus 1.3. So that's not bad. And I don't think it's even expensive. Even if you take it straight to Hyundai, you should probably be looking at around plus minus 2 grand. I'm not quite sure, but the last time I inquired, it was around that price. So it's not that bad. So let's talk about fuel consumption. Well, I don't even want to waste time talking about fuel consumption, because this car comes as advertised. It's as fuel efficient as they say it is. Trust me, it does save on gasoline. But hey, now that petrol prices have increased, you do feel it a bit, but it's not as bad. It's not that bad. You do feel it because it's not the same as buying petrol before. So let's talk about resale value. The Hyundai i10 pretty much holds its value when it comes to its resale value. Because if we look, for example, if we take a car as the same mileage as mine, that is around 110,000 kilometer mileage, they still go for around 130,000 rands right now. And considering that when these cars came out, they were around the regions of around 140, 150, somewhere there. So it's not bad that you can still get this car at the mileage that it's at for this much. But I guess the demand for these small cars has increased over the years. So a lot of people now want to buy the Hyundai i10s, especially with petrol prices being expensive. So a lot of people want to buy these cars now. So that's why they tend to retain their value. So it's good value for money. So overall, the Hyundai i10 is an amazing car. It's an amazing small little car. Fuel efficient. I love it. I have no complaints whatsoever. Reliability wise, ever since I've been driving it, I haven't had any issues. I might still face some issues, but so far I'm happy. I have no issues. I'd recommend it to anyone. And as far as I've been researching, it's a reliable car. Hyundai is a reliable car. A lot of people who drive this car don't have a lot of complaints about it. So I'm hoping I won't experience anything as well. So based on that, I'd recommend anyone to buy this car. It's a very nice, affordable little car. So if you're in the market for such a small car, then I definitely recommend the Hyundai i10.